TV land. Welcome to another Math Homework Helpers short. I am Max, and this is the amazing Mr. Teng. Mr. Teng, how are you?
Hey Max, I'm doing well. How are you doing, bud?
I am doing fantastic, sir.
So last time I saw you, we were just finishing up our live show.
That's right.
We had a great time. Lots of friends called in. Lots of friends were chatting on YouTube.
Yeah.
We gave out a lot of prize packs, and we had a lot of fun doing math.
Yes, it was wonderful, and I can't wait until we do it again soon.
Yeah, hopefully you'll be calling us and letting us know what kind of questions you might have.
Yep. In the meantime, though, what do we got going on today here, Mr. Teng?
So as fourth graders embark upon Unit 4, we're going to be working on some addition, subtraction, and measurement stuff.
Okie dokies.
So the cool thing about fourth grade math when we talk about addition and subtraction is we're jumping into the standard algorithms. So before we actually start becoming more fluent in the algorithms, we want to kind of touch upon some of the strategies that we've used before.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead and do that by building our understanding of our place value first and then jumping into some word problems.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, so this says draw a line to show which number matches each description. This is kind of like a little riddle. So the first one's already done. This number has a 2 in the thousands place.
Oh, this is so much fun. I love riddles. This is like riddles.
Yeah, so it looks like each of our numbers goes from the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then 10,000s place.
Okay.
So our greatest place value is going to be all the way up to the 10,000s place.
That's pretty big.
All right, so the number has 2 in a thousand place. This is done for us already. So again, we said 1, 10, hundreds, thousand. Okay, so thousands is going to be 2. So I think we get the hang of this?
I think we got this.
All right, this even number, this is an even number with a 6 in the hundreds place.
Okay, a 6 in the hundredths place.
Well, I have a 6 here, but that's not in a hundreds place. That's in the ones, tens, that's in a thousands place, so that's not the answer.
Well, wait a minute. The next one has a 6 in the hundreds place, but we already used that one.
We already used that one, but you're right. It does have a 6 in the hundreds place, so that's what we're looking for. 6 in the hundreds place.
Oh, there it is. It's the second to bottom one.
Oh, can you read that number to us?
Sure. 19,628.
I love it. You did it perfectly.
Oh, thank you.
19,628. You didn't say and.
Oh, yeah.
You said that, and when you saw the comma, you were able to say thousand.
Yeah. Cool. Let's do another one.
All right. This number is equal to 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 80 plus 2.
So wait a minute. That sounds super complex, but actually, if you just look at the numbers and the place values, this is not too hard. It's just putting them all together.
Yep.
So we have a 3 in the 10,000s place.
Okay. We have one here. We already used that one.
Yep. But if you go down to the bottom, I see one.
So that might be it. Let's double check. What's your next clue?
So 4 in the thousands place.
Okay.
Yep. We have a nothing in the hundredths place, so that would be a 0.
Nothing in a hundreds place, so it's a 0 there.
And then an 8 in the tens. And a 2 in the 1.
I think we got it.
Boom!
Awesome.
That is so cool.
Oh boy, this next one looks a little hard. This number is 1,000 less than 46,052.
So wait a minute, less than. So that means we have to, let's see, subtract.
You're right. So 1,000 less than. Wait, so this is 46,000 and this is 46,000, but we have 1,000 less.
So that couldn't be right.
So what's 1,000 less than 46,000?
So we just have to think about that 6, right?
Yeah.
That's in the thousands place, so it would be 6 minus 1, it'd be 5.
So 45,000.
45,000.
Well, this one says 45,000. Let's check the rest of. So the rest of the numbers should be the same as 52. So 46,052 should be 45,052.
There it is.
Awesome. This is an odd number with a 6 in the thousands place. I mean, there's only one left, but let's double check.
Let's double check it. You never know if they're going to try and fool us or something.
It's an odd number, so it's not even. It's not divisible by 2, so it doesn't end in 2, 4, 6, 8.
Right.
Or a 0, so that's got to be, that's correct, and a 6 in the thousands place. Yep.
There it is.
We got our match. Awesome.
That was really fun.
Hey, great job, Max.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Great job yourself there, Mr. Teng.
Thanks. Are you ready to do some word problems?
Oh, word up.
Let's do it. Felipe's family is driving to see his grandmother. Love grandmothers, right?
Absolutely.
Altogether, they have to drive 856 miles.
Wow, they really love their grandmother.
That's pretty far to go.
That's a long way.
Yeah. If they have gone 269 miles so far, how much further do they have to drive?
The answer to that is a lot, especially if there's traffic. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean, buddy. All right, so let's go ahead and use a number line here. If all together they need to drive, so from 0 to 856, and they've already gone 269 miles. So halfway would be around 400 something. So maybe around here. We're using an open number line, so it's okay if it's not exactly to scale.
Kind of just doing a little estimating here.
Yeah, so we have 269. So what we need to figure out then is how much is from here to here. So from 269 to 856, because we already know that we already went 269, so we need to figure out how much is the rest here. So let's go ahead and make it open number line. All right, so 269. So let's go ahead and use a strategy called counting on. So we'll start from the 269 and count on until we get to 856.
Okay.
So from 269, what is going to be our nice, clean, compatible number that comes right after that? So if we add 1 to 269, what do we get?
We get 270.
All right, let's start there, okay?
270, I should say.
So plus 1 would give us 270. And then from there, we want to go to our next clean number, which we can count by tens.
Oh, so it would be 280.
Okay, so that's plus 10. That's 280. And another 10 is going to give us
290.
290. And another 10 is going to give us
300.
Okay. And now that we're at 300, we can use this strategy now we can continue to count by tens if we wanted to.
Yeah.
But what should we count by instead?
Well, I'd go by 100 now.
Let's count by hundreds. Let's do that. So from here, we went from 300. If we add another 100.
400.
400. Another 100.
500.
Another 100.
600.
We're kind of running out of room here, but we're going to keep going.
That's okay.
So another 100
would be 700.
Would give us 700, and then one more 100.
800.
Okay, that would give us 800. So we're going to continue down here. So we know we have to get to 856, right?
Right.
So from here, we counted 600, 700, 800. So from 800, how many more do we need to go to get 856?
Well, just 56.
56 more. So let's go ahead and jump here, plus 56, and we're going to land on 856.
Wow.
So that's a lot of work to show this, but we were able to make sense of it because from 269 to figure out the difference between 856 and 269, we were able to count on from 269 until we got to 856. Now we have one more thing to do is add up all the numbers we have.
Oh, okay. Well, this would be kind of fun.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and group the similar numbers together.
Okay.
So if we have three, I'm going to use a different color here, 3 groups of 10, that's going to be
30.
30. And how many hundreds did we have?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be 500.
500. And then we had a 56 and a 1, which we can put those together. What's 56 and 1?
56 plus 1 is 57.
57. All right. One more thing is just adding all these together. So if I know I have 3 10s or 30, and plus I have 57, that I can combine these to make 87.
Okay.
And then we have our 500. So 500 plus 87 is?
587.
So we really, really love Grandma because that's a lot more to travel to get to her.
Still got a ways to go.
Yeah.
But it'll be great when they get there. There'll be all kinds of great, yummy food.
Speaking of Grandma, I'm going to go visit mine. So I think we're done here for today.
Oh, that's a good idea. I think I'm going to go visit some grandmothers myself. All righty. Until next time, boys and girls, thanks so much for tuning in. Keep working on that math, and we'll see you next time, only here on Math No More Calibers. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.